All right, let's consider this question. It says the first term of an arithmetic progression is 2 and the last term is 29. All right, if the common difference is 3, how many terms are in the arithmetic progression? All right, guys, so this question is talking about arithmetic progression. All right, so what you need to do is very simple. So first of all, we have to identify the given values. All right, so what are the given values? The first term is what? Is A1. All right, it is equals to what? 2. The second term, okay, the last term, it says first term, last term. All right, the last term is what? An, all right, which is equals to what? 29. All right, so what is the common difference? Common difference is what? Common difference is what? 3, which is D 3. Now that we have successfully identified the values, what we need to do is to apply the formula for this question. Okay, we are going to use the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic operation. We are using the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic progression. All right, so the formula is, this is the formula. It equals to an equals to A1, all right, plus n minus 1 bracket D. All right, guys, so this is the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic progression. An is equals to A1 plus, in bracket, n minus 1 bracket D. All right, so we are going to impute these values inside the formulas. So if we do that, we are going to have our answers as, our an is what? 29 equals to, what is our a1? Our a1 is 2, then plus n minus 1. What is our d? Our d is 3. Okay, so if we simplify this equation, what we are going to do is we subtract 2 from both sides. If we subtract 2 from both sides, negative 2 will cancel out positive 2. So 2 minus, okay, let's just do it, okay, so that it will be easier for us, so that you will get it. Let me break everything down. So we are going to subtract 2 from both sides, this and this. So here will be 29 minus 2 equals to 2 plus minus 2, then n minus 1, 3. So this minus 2 will cancel this plus 2. All right, 29 minus 2 will give us 27, which is equal to what? N minus 1 bracket 3. All right, so we have 27 equals to, in bracket, n minus 1 all times in 3. So now we are looking for this n minus 1. So what are we going to do? We are going to divide both sides by 21, by 3. All right, so we are dividing both sides by 3. So if we divide both sides by 3 like this, divide here with 3, 3 will cancel out this 3. All right, 3 into 21 is what? 3 times, here will be what? 3 here 1, 3 here 9. All right, so our answer is 9 bracket, okay, 9 equals to n minus 1. All right, are you getting it now? So we have 9 equals to n minus 1. So there's no need for bracket because we have opened the bracket already. So we have 9 equals to n minus 1. So what we are going to do is to move this to the other side, okay? So if we move it to the other side, it will be n equals to minus 1 plus minus 1. This is plus. If it move to this side, it become minus. Minus 1 minus 9, alright? Minus 1 minus 9. Minus times minus will give us plus. So our n is equals to what? 10. So this is the final answer to the question. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment. Alright? Leave your comment in the comment section. If you have any question, drop it in the comments and I will solve it for you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.